Good morning, viewers, from a very sunny Boracay Island Philippines. Today I'm heading to what I think is the nicest resort on the island, Crimson. Crimson has a private beach. It's absolutely beautiful. It's very expensive to stay there. I think it's more than $300 a night. But today we're taking a day trip there, which is a little bit more affordable. At the moment we're heading up to Crimson now. We've got traffic here. Not quite sure why. I think they're fixing the water. This also turned out to be a sad day for me, guys. My GoPro broke today. You can see the last ever video made with my GoPro 8 before it actually died in the sea at Crimson. And here we are at the entrance to Crimson.
Sakay na kami? Okay.
Really? Malayo?
Layo pa ka?
Oh, I thought lapit lang. I thought it's cute, nice to walk.
5 minutes walk.
Huh?
5 minutes walk.
Masakay
Okay
na
lang.
lang kami.
Thank
Sige,
you.
salamat.
To get down to the resort, apparently it's a little bit far. It's very steep, this hill. They said you in a tricycle.
Oh, so we could
An
walk.
electric one.
I guess.
Yeah, we're going to reception.
Amazed it can get up this hill okay. It's very steep. Eventually, here we are. Crimson Boracay. This has to be the nicest hotel on the island.
Thank you.
Certainly one of the most expensive. Has its own private
Where do we have to
beach,
pay?
which no outsiders are allowed onto. But today, we're day trippers. Day trippers here are allowed. You have to pay 2,500 pesos each, which 2,000 of that is consumable. So the facilities actually cost you 500 each. And you get to eat some pretty good food. Well, I expect you do anyway. Lots of different types of accommodation here at Crimson. It's absolutely huge. Somewhere down there is a beach. And at last, here we are, down by the beach. Here's the infinity pool. The infinity pool seems to sort of melt into the beach. How very nice.
From there.
This is Crimson, guys. Crimson Boracay. Yeah, that's a beautiful infinity pool. Got the beach just in front of it, which is a private beach. No outsiders allowed on the beach. Only guests and us day trippers. Right, apparently we have to go in the other restaurant to pay our daily rate. So it's a huge pool. It's got a jacuzzi area there.
I think you're going to be on lots of this vlog.
We have to go inside the restaurant here and pay. And then we can roam around and do what we want. And order until our money's gone.
Go nice. I think 2.5 each, yeah? Is that correct?
2,000 each po. 2,500 each. Okay, so it's 5,000. Yes po. 2,000 for foods and drinks and katabi for facilities. Okay.
Morning, sir.
And here's the bar menu. And the prices. Here's the beach just over the side here. And what a beautiful beach it is. You have use of all the sun lounges here. You can swim in the pool, you get towels. There's the restaurant for lunch. Let's go and have a look at the beach.
In it or not in it? I said in it or not in it?
This
Oh,
beach
back
is
there.
actually private here.
Thank
In
you.
this corner. Only for Crimson. But it also does share this beach with Movenpick and the Shangri-La, which are further up towards the right. But this is the only private beach. You can order drinks while you're on the beach. And food as well, I think. What a beautiful place. Crimson Boracay. Apparently they have another Crimson in Mactan Island in Cebu. It can't be as nice as this, can it? And we have guests here arriving by boat, by private boat, straight from Caticlan. No public boat if you're staying here. Crimson picks you up at the resort, takes you to Caticlan themselves. How very nice. Guess that's what you get for $300 odd per night.
Inside.
Right, time for lunch. Let's get into the restaurant. Pretty expensive, the foods, but it's all consumable in your entrance. And what do you expect from where you are? You can't really beat the view, can you? The restaurant looks very professional. The food looks very good. And the view.
Thank you.
There's an Indian chef here actually, and a lot of Indian food. So I've gone for a butter chicken. And my wife, she's gone for the tom yam goong, which is a sour soup from Thailand with shrimp. There's a tom yam goong, that was 700 pesos, 530 for the butter chicken. And look at that, not bad at all. And this, guys, my afternoon swim is where my GoPro died. My waterproof GoPro is not actually as waterproof as they say it is. And this is its last depth into water. So, sad day for me. It cost me my GoPro coming here, but never mind. At least you can see underneath the water at Crimson, if it's only just for a minute. And 5 minutes after this, my screen went dead. And there it is. My dead, won't do anything, won't respond to anything, GoPro 8. It died in the sea at Crimson. I did want to show you more of the afternoon, swimming in the infinity pool. I wanted to show you our dinner and a couple of mojito cocktails I had before I left. But it wasn't meant to be. The death of my GoPro 8. Oh well, never mind. See you on the next video, guys. I'm going to have to get a new GoPro. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all soon.